Hey there, space enthusiasts! Ever wondered how our moon came into existence? Buckle up, because the moon's origin story is a cosmic roller coaster. So, picture this. It's about 4.5 billion years ago. Earth is just a baby planet, still forming and cooling down. And then, BAM! Out of nowhere, a Mars-sized protoplanet named Theia comes crashing into Earth. This is no small fender bender, it's a catastrophic collision. Now this isn't just a minor impact. Theia hits Earth with such force that it vaporizes on impact. Debris from both Theia and Earth gets blasted into space, creating a massive, glowing ring of molten rock and gas around our planet. It's like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. Over millions of years, gravity works its magic. The debris from this colossal impact starts to coalesce, gradually clumping together. Imagine tiny particles joining forces, forming larger and larger chunks, until finally, we have a proto-moon. This process is called accretion, and it's how a lot of celestial bodies form. But wait, there's more. The newly formed moon is initially much closer to Earth than it is today. It causes enormous tidal forces, which in turn influence the Earth's rotation and ocean tides. Over time, the moon drifts away, settling into the orbit we see now. Fascinating, right? And here's the kicker: rocks brought back from the moon by Apollo missions show that the moon's composition is eerily similar to Earth's. This evidence gives strong support to the giant impact hypothesis. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, our moon was born from a cosmic cataclysm. Isn't space just mind-blowing? Like, subscribe, and join me next time for more space adventures. Until then, keep looking up.